Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your earnings in Uber Driver app. If you don't have an Uber Driver account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn extra money. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see 3 horizontal stacked lines at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the 3 horizontal stacked lines. On the left side menu, you will see an option for Earnings. Tap on Earnings. Under Earnings, you will see an option for See Details. Tap on See Details. On this screen, you will see another option that says See Earnings Activity. Tap on See Earnings Activity. Here, scroll and select a week from which you wish to see your earnings. And now you will be able to see your earnings. That's how you view your earnings in Uber Driver app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.